This is simply an example of a live trade on Hyperliquid, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Hyperliquid. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Okay, so what I did was, and I'm not a proponent of meme coins, but you can make a lot of money on them, but you can lose a lot too. So I had a breakout on Fart Coin, and here's the daily chart on TradingView. So I went over to Hyperliquid and thought I'd participate a little bit. So you can see there, 21 cent breakout above 21 cents, then it's going to 30 in my opinion. So we'll see. There's not much resistance. This is the daily chart right here. Anyway, let's go over to Hyperliquid and take a look. So Hyperliquid is a decentralized exchange. Simply connect your wallet right here and fund it with USDC from on the Arbitrum network. And you can buy USDC and then swap it over at arbitrum.io, and you can bridge it over real quick, and the fees are just pennies. So there's arbitrum.io right there, and you go right here to the bridge. So okay, Hyperliquid, all I did was I went over to the perpetual contract fartcoin.usdc. There it is right there. And it gives you all the information here. Now you can control your leverage. You can buy it on spot with no leverage, or you can use leverage. I bought this on 10x leverage, which, this is simply a coin play. Not necessarily recommended to use 10x leverage. I hardly ever do that. So if you're new, 10x leverage, you can see the higher leverage, the higher the risk. That's what I'm saying. All right, you can see right here, I set a stop and I set a take profit. And here's the profit and loss right there, liquidation price. Now set your stop loss above that, okay? Because if you don't, and this thing drops if you're long, or if it goes up if you're short, and you don't have a stop loss, you get liquidated, okay, your whole account. Now this account, it's a small account, less than $1,000. That's why I use the 10x leverage. All right, so you can see here's your charts right here. There's an hourly chart, daily chart. It looks just like TradingView in the back office. And you place your trade, and voila, that's it. You can close it with a limit order. You can close it market. Your fees are higher on market order. And you can see my right here, my stop losses right there. Okay, that's how you use Hyperliquid. It's real easy. It's just like trading on a centralized exchange, but there's no middleman. It's just you, your wallet, and hyperliquid.xyz. Have any questions about that? Reach out Chris at rchris4.com. I'll sit here and monitor this, or I got my stop losses in. It's 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so I'm going back to bed. Y'all have a good night. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching, legends. If you're serious about leveling up in crypto, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to @cryptojag.info, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next move. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one. Stay sharp, stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next video.